Uku Turiba, the baby one no to be go one, no new Fuleba, Kowa no Buzikwa general. Ono Manakelu Mochalana Gentu Yahoo, and do Wajia Burugonia and Geo Makeup. In Cabo na since ya, na Yafu Bequan and Geo Makeup, Coptaquania update. A Yafu Behom. Gentle the Yahoo, or Potania update, and if I know Nandu Wajia Buruguefa, and Nandu Wajia go to high phone you case you will have a mobunafano what an custody fa, or Yaka potalacate on you na Foketa, when I call Niana no chiteziquania and Geo Makeup, Nanya Gentle the Yahoo, no Yama Buziqua, new general. One can no second with Talunu, Docian and Dinkum.
I want to give all glory, all thanks, all praises, all adoration, and all holiness to our Most High Chukwu Okike Abiyama. His Excellency, General Innocent N.O.G., GCSB, Head of State of Biafra Provincial Government, BPG, and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the State of Biafra. So, may I have your competent permission to hand over the rest of the program. So, permission granted. Thank you, sir. Therefore. Hello, dear friends, all over the world, and lovers of freedom. First of all, I want to give all glory, all thanks, all praises, all adoration, and all holiness to our Most High Chukwu Okike Abiyama, who has given us this opportunity, who has preserved our life, who had made the Biafra nation to be a reality, who have given us this opportunity to celebrate the 4th year independent anniversary of the sovereign state of Biafra. But before I proceed, I want to usher in the Most High God who has given me this mantle, so that he will take place, because Biafra belongs to Chukwu Okike Abiyama. Hawetie Nso, Hawetie